Hello, good morning, all of you. Today I discuss Standard 5 Part 7. Standard 5 का ये Part 7 है. Today teach related to agriculture. You have also read different types of plants, herbivorous, carnivorous, and grow of plants, grow of new plants, different types. You have read different to method to use new plants grow. But today I teach different topics related to agriculture. What is agriculture? And in our daily life we eat different types of food including vegetables, fruits, pulse, meats, eggs, etc. We also wear different types of clothes. We get all these things from plant and animals. To get these things in sufficient quantities, a large number of plants and animals are needed. A large number of plants and animals are needed for human beings, for life. The mass production of plants for food and other purpose is called agriculture. What is agriculture? The mass production of plants for food and other purpose is called agriculture. Here we are only discussing the agricultural activities related to plants. Various stages of agriculture are as follows. First, to show plugging. It helps to loosen the soil by the plug. Next, manuring. The manure is added to provide nutrients to the soil. Next, sowing seeds. Healthy seeds are sown in soil. Plants grow from seeds. Next, practices of agriculture. Irrigation. It supplies sufficient water to plants for growth. Next, spraying pesticides. It kills the pests and protect the crops. Next point, harvesting. When the crop is ready, it is cut and gathered. Plant of the same kind grown on a large scale at a particular place during a particular time are called a crop. Plants of same kind grown on a large scale at a particular place during a particular time are called crop. For example, crop of wheat means all plants grown in the field are of wheat. The soil of the particular place and season affect the growth and development of crops. Let us see how. First of all, soil. Soil is an important factor for the growth of plants. If crop grows well in one kind of soil but poorly in another, for example, first point, rice and jute grow better in loamy and clay soil which can hold plenty of water. Wheat need alluvial soil rich in humus. Cotton plants grow best in the black soil. Jowar and bajra are grown in sandy soil found in Rajasthan. Tea plants need moist soil of hilly regions like Assam, Darjeeling and the Nilgiris. Maji plant need alluvial soil to grow. Coconut trees grow well in coastal areas having sandy soil. Seasons. Agriculture practices based on the seasons. different crops to grow different seasons. A particular crop may grow well in one season and may not grow that well in another season. So, different crops are grown in different season. Crops that are grown from June to October, and June to October, this is summer season, are called Kharif crops. Which crops to grow from June to October? So this crop is called Kharif crops. For example, rice, maize, cotton are Kharif crops. These crops depend on the monsoon rains. Next, crops that are grown from November to April. Crops that are grown from November to April are called Rabi crops. Wheat, gram and pea are Rabi crops. These crops do not depend on the monsoon rains. Do you know? Besides favorable climatic conditions, plants also require manure and fertilizers to improve the growth and increase the yield. Dead and decaying plants, animal waste and cow dung are commonly used as manure. Urea, potash, nitrates and phosphate are some common fertilizers. Okay बच्चों, thank you. Today, next day, discuss different topics: protection of crops and storage of grains. Part 8. Thank you.